guys, I'm here in the fruits now guys. Fruits. Some fruits, apple, green apple, many guys are there. Here. There are bukos also. Butong ni guys oh. Butong ni gikan sa Taiwan, Thailand. Sri Lanka day guys. Sri Lanka. This one is from Thailand. This is from Thailand guys. Buko from Thailand. And this one also very nice guys. See guys. This buko is from where? I think also from Thailand guys. Yeah. Product of Thailand. Semua daghan kani potong semua guys. Jadi malibre kang potong dire. The name of this is Hola. Potong ni guys from Thailand. Kuha na ni siya bunot guys. See, Thailand tender coconut. And the other one is fresh young coconut product of Thailand guys. Mo gyapon ni guys gikuha na ni bunot niya ni ibto ni mo ni siya da guys. Suksok ni mo ni igupo na dai nimo. Butong dari guys, imported yung mga butong dari guys. Tani kong approach longgan o ako katilaw na ni guys. Cranberry, strawberry, lemon guys. Okay, mga blueberry, finest berries. So another berry, I don't know what type of berry is that. Here is blackberries ni guys, kaning blackberries. Here is of course my favorite is the grapes guys. Here is product of Thailand also. This is mangosteen guys, mangosteen. This fruit, I don't know what is this fruit. This is sweet and sour paisalis. Kani sa maning dere na siya Australian cherries na guys. Kani I don't know, it's like tomato siguro ni guys. We call it cherry tomato guys. Cherry tomato. Okay. Okay. So I like this. It's better this one. Coco Tam. Product quality of Thailand. I'll try. It's 11.50 guys. Expensive but let's see. Bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless.